Okay, this morning I'm going to cast some quadruple zero buckshot. A friend of mine sent me a mold that cast two balls at one time. They don't make any of those 6 balls at a time mold yet for quadruple zero. In a 10 gauge shotgun shell, these line up just right across from each other, and then you can have different layers. I usually use 12 of them. And now I'll show you how we cast these. These molds are only about $20, these Lee molds. And it's with pure lead. Of course, the mold's up to temperature by setting it on the pot. And that's all there is to it. Otherwise, you can buy these from Ballistic Products, 8 pounds at a time, but they're like $40, and of course it's good shot. I made up some more this morning here because I'm going to make up 10 gauge shells up. These are really hard hitting. And as far as I can tell, they're all perfectly round. The Lee mold is good, aluminum mold. And I know that when I use 32 to 34 grains of 800X powder, they'll go through both sides of a junk car with the 10 gauge. So that's all you have to do to keep it real affordable. I use straight lead. I like to use straight lead because when they hit something hard, they do mushroom out a little bit. Plus, with straight lead, you never have to worry about your shotgun barrels being messed up. But when I do load these, I use a Mylar or Teflon wrap, no shot cup.